In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple files using the terminal on an Ubuntu system. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. Now let's say you want to create three files named file1.txt, file 2.txt, and file 3.txt. You can use the touch command to do this. Just type touch file 1.txt, file 2.txt, file 3.txt, then press enter. This command creates all three files at once in your current folder. If you want to create many files that follow a pattern, you can use curly braces. For example, touch file 1.10 This creates 10 files from file 1.txt to file 10.txt. You can also use letters instead of numbers. Try this. Touch file, say, text. This will create filia.txt, philib.txt, filec.txt, and filed.txt. If you want to create files in a different folder, add the path before the file names. For example, touch/home/yourname/documents/file1.txt. Replace your name with your actual username. To check if the files were created, type ls. You'll see a list of files in the current folder. That's it. Now you know how to create multiple files in Ubuntu using the terminal. Thanks for watching.